Hi, my name is Abdul, and after I completed my SEO journey for 10 weeks, then I wanted to make a professional website. So I came through this 6-day Elementor workshop by Jackson, where I was impressed by his landing page for this workshop, and then I decided to join this course. After attending this workshop, now I'm able to build a website on my own just by drag and drop and also at a fast pace. Jackson has been really great in delivering this course. And great part is that it is live workshop where all your doubts and queries are answered during the workshop. And this has been the most interactive section I have attended. Amazing time spending and learning new things every day. And the best part is Jackson has been very helpful to each and every participant, and he explains each and everything even though he has to repeat those steps again. Also, he is always available on WhatsApp for solving your queries. Best part is that you get all the recordings of live workshop where you can go through again and again and enhance your skill on building your website or like a landing page and like a pro. I would highly recommend this workshop who is struggling to build their website or landing page and upscale their skill in this field. And with this price, you get so much to learn that you will be amazed. Once again, thank you, Jackson.